So finally, Tech Mahindra, PwC, Akamai, and one more direct referral hiring is coming. So first understand that Akami is doing multiple roles hiring, but you have to understand that PwC only few hours left. So this is a quick reminder if you not applied for it. So in this video I will tell you amazing opportunities and you have to understand the criteria, but otherwise you will not get to see any shortlisting mail. So first go and watch this video. I already uploaded Wipro, Cognizant, Capgemini and one direct test opportunity which is coming from Apna. And first you have to understand that Cognizant and Wipro only 7 hours or 6 hours left. Just go and apply for this opportunity. You can see that Tech Mahindra is hiring for a survey tax specialist work from office, and you can see all fresher graduates are eligible, means up to 24 batches are eligible. BE, BTech, CS, IT, Electronics and MCA, BC are eligible, and a graduate with experience can also apply because 0 to 2 year of experience is needed in technical support. And service tax will be an added advantage, but this is preferred, not mandatory. If you are a fresher, then only you can apply. So technical skill must have is networking and ITIL trained will be added advantage, but that is not mandatory. Desktop support, application support, networking knowledge is mandatory, and the mandatory part is this is night shift, so you have to do the night shift there. So if you are interested, then just send your updated resume to this email as soon as possible, because only, and you can see that 9 hours ago they posted. So please apply as soon as possible. This is mass hiring. Just send your updated resume on this email and don't type here I am interested and I am interested. They will not check your comment. So just apply as soon as possible. Update your resume and please add these keywords like service tax specialist in summary and technical support. So this will help you to get shortlisted, and definitely you will get to see the interview mail, because maybe this is direct interview hiring. There is no test, there is only interview. So please apply as soon as possible. Update your resume and send it on this email. So only 6 hours left in PwC aspiring innovator talent search. You can see that up to 4.5 LP they are providing you, because non-engineering degree and engineering degree all 4 years, all 3 years degree eligible, and the candidate will be, means you have to understand that this is an apprenticeship and duration will be 1 year. So you can see that there is job description. Click here and don't click here, I will show you. So if you not apply, just apply as soon as possible, because only 6 hours or 5 hours left. Please update your resume, but what to add in your resume you have to understand from here, like basic program. Just copy this as it is and paste in your resume. BCom in 3 year. See, there is not written anything more because this is a BCom, because 3 year of graduation is also eligible. So BCom is written here, and add those domain in your resume if you are from BCom branch. And for JDRC specialist you can engineering degree. I am showing you, just wait. So you can see that permanent full-time opportunity for engineering, and scroll down, just add those domain in your resume from here. Microsoft Office suite is mandatory. If you're not adding this, then definitely you will not get to see the shortlisting mail. So this is for engineering student. Add cyber security and these domain in your resume. So you can see that only 6 hours left, and both non-tech and tech students are eligible. 3 year and 4 year graduation are eligible both. So tech, non-tech, both students go through apprenticeship, which is absolutely for 1 year, and you can see the stipend also for engineering student 4.5 and for non-tech 3.5 LP is there. So please apply as soon as possible. Only 6 hours left. So the amazing opportunity is coming from Akami. This is not hiring for one particular role. This is hiring for different roles, fully remote, and engineering, security, marketing, customer success, means all engineering, tech, non-tech both are eligible, and I am providing referral for the role or roles. If you are interested, please fill out the referral form. This is referral form they are providing, and you have to understand that this is amazing opportunity. Fully remote, tech, non-tech both are eligible, but you have to fill very carefully, because you can see that here is not written anything. Just scroll down, fill main things like if you are fresh or experience, update your resume, but you have to update as per requirement, means tech support, technical support, business administration, SDE, and you can see non-tech account executive, field marketing, and network infrastructure. So you have to add those domain in your resume which you are interested in, like SDE. Please add front end, back end, programming languages and tools, technologies, IT domains in your resume. And if you are interested in marketing, so please add marketing domain in your resume, account executive, and you can see incident manager also, service analyst, and customer success manager, business system analyst. So this is very biggest hiring they are doing. They are direct giving you referral for any role. If you are interested in any like IT, non-tech, both are eligible. Just apply as soon as possible. Just give job identification comma separated, and please apply as soon as possible. Update your resume as per your interest, and please apply as soon as possible because this is remote job and all degree, all branches are eligible. Don't miss this opportunity because no one know about this opportunity referral they are giving you. So please apply as soon as possible. Last opportunity is coming from, maybe the company name is People Tech Group. They are providing you junior software engineer role is this. You can see that junior software engineer role, and C++ is mandatory. Hyderabad, fresher location, work from home, BE, BTech, MCA, all electronic and CSIT branch are eligible, and mode of interview is face to face because they are providing you direct interview. There is no test. Direct interviews, there are 24, 23 batches eligible and 25 batches eligible, and you can see C++ is mandatory, only C++, and if you know anything like a database, this will be added advantage, and you just have to send your resume here because this is direct opportunity. So please in subject type your branch and batch, and please type C++ also and position also, like they, तो वो उनको आइडिया हो जाएगा कि दिस इज फ्रॉम जूनियर सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर रोल रेज्यूमे. तो जितनी जल्दी हो सकता है अप्लाई सून एज पॉसिबल. डोंट मिस दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी एज दिस डोमेन योर रेज्यूमे लाइक ट्रबल शूटिंग, डीबगिंग and C++ also, STL also. So please add those domain in your resume as soon as possible. Apply for this hiring, otherwise you will regret later because this is amazing opportunity. No need of test, just a direct interview. Tech Mahindra is also direct interview, and maybe Akami also because you can see direct referral is there, so highly chance you will get to see the direct interview. So please apply as soon as possible. So for more opportunities like these, just subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon button, like this video, and please share with your friends also. And please go and watch 2 videos like Wipro and ISRO also. To the New is doing absolutely freshers hiring, and To the New is the company name, and this company is hiring for only 25 batch fresher students. Pursuing candidates are eligible. Go and apply for this opportunity. Thanks for watching.